Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. This is Viprajesh from SGA Skoda showroom in Coimbatore. I am here with the brand new Skoda Kodiaq facelifted SUV, which has just been launched in the Indian market. As we all know, the Kodiaq is Skoda India's flagship SUV, available only as a 7-seater. With this new facelift, Skoda has intended to give the Kodiaq a fresh new face with noticeable design updates on the front, back and the interior as well. Starting with the exterior, while this facelifted Kodiaq is almost similar in terms of size and dimensions, it features an updated and even wider signature butterfly grille, which also neatly integrates the front camera as a part of the 360-degree surround view camera system. And then yes, the new Kodiaq also gets reprofiled LED headlamps along with the sportier looking front bumper. It has to be mentioned that this specific black color model we have over here is the Laurin & Clement LNK top spec variant, which gets these rather impressive looking 18-inch Trinity design alloy wheels. That said, all three variants of the all-new Skoda Kodiaq facelift also get 18-inch alloy wheels as standard. Other design details on the side profile include stainless steel surround for the windows. That said, there are no chrome finished door handles or ORVMs. However, the ORVMs house the puddle lamps along with the side cameras for the surround camera system. These proper aluminium roof rails are standard across all variants, along with the massive panoramic sunroof, which is also available as standard. Coming towards the back, the Skoda Kodiaq has always been large and impressive, and just like the front, the rear also gets reprofiled LED tail lamps, which also gets swiping turn indicators. All three variants of the Skoda Kodiaq available in India come as standard with all-wheel drive system with a single engine and transmission option. The rear fascia of the Kodiaq also looks very sporty, with the bold Skoda lettering at the center and the Kodiaq branding on the left side. Special mention has to be made about this magic metallic black color, which looks properly impressive and imposing on the Kodiaq. Let's now get inside the car to check out the features quickly. Yes folks, I'm right now in the cabin of the facelifted Kodiaq, and this new facelifted model is significantly better equipped than the model it replaces. Along with the standard virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster, this 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system has also been updated with a lot of features, and the virtual cockpit itself can be customized using this touchscreen system. This touchscreen system now provides wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity, along with My Skoda Connect connected car features. Coming lower down on the center console, you get to see the dual zone automatic climate control unit over here, and apart from these two zones at the front, the rear seat passengers also have their own climate zone. There is also standard wireless charging facility, and the 360-degree surround view camera system though is available only on the top spec LNK variant. While the camera monitor clarity is not the best, it is rather easy to use with the possibility of individually monitoring every angle of the car. This here is the 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox lever, which is the only available transmission on the Skoda Kodiaq. The Kodiaq also offers multiple drive modes located in this console, just beside the electronic parking brake. Pressing the off-road button will display a lot of off-road related details on the touchscreen system, and this mode button is useful to change multiple drive modes, including economy, comfort, normal, sport, individual and a snow mode. The individual mode is basically a customizable drive mode, so those are the center console buttons. This center armrest is hugely adjustable while also being greatly comfortable. There is a significant bit of storage underneath the armrest, along with this removable cubbyhole console, which is a nice and clever storage option by Skoda. Then obviously there is the beautiful perforated leather upholstery with the Laurin & Clement branding exclusively on this top spec variant. This variant also exclusively gets front ventilated seats, while the leather quality itself is simply superb. The new facelifted Skoda Kodiaq now gets updated interior ambient mood lighting, provided on the door pads and in the footwell. Just like the pre-facelifted Skoda Kodiaq, this new model also gets the same glove box setup, with the cooled glove box located lower down, while there is also another glove box on top, for which the access button is located just beside the regular glove box. Unlike that glove box though, this one is felt lined with a rubberized finish on the inside. However, the lower glove box alone gets illumination. Things like your smartphone could easily go into this upper glove box, which provides rubberized felt lining. Smart key access with push button start is available as standard across all three variants, and every time you turn on or off the car, this virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster plays a short movie with the Skoda Kodiaq. Just like every other Skoda car, the headlamp controls are located lower down on the right side of the steering wheel, while the high beam controls alone are located on the headlamp stalk. This new 2-spoke steering wheel has been carried forward from the Skoda Superb, and as standard all variants also provide paddle shifters. Yes, apart from the updated 8-inch touchscreen system, this Skoda Kodiaq also provides 12 Canton speakers as standard, which provide great audio quality. Just like before, all windows have express up and down function, and even the door pads have the solidity in terms of material quality, where the door feels properly heavy. On top of the dashboard, you get to see this leather padded super high quality soft material, also housing the center speaker. Coming on towards the roof, you get to see this electrochromic auto dimming IRVM available as standard across all variants, along with this all LED interior cabin lamp setup. While the panoramic sunroof is available as standard, there is a separate button to control the sunshade alone, which can be positioned according to your preference, while also having one-touch close and open function. Just like the sunshade, obviously, the sunroof itself has got express one-touch open and close function, and yes, it also has tilt opening function for fresh air ventilation purposes. So that is a whole lot of features on the inside of this facelifted Skoda Kodiaq's cabin, only in the front part of the cabin. Let me now just get out of the driver's seat to show you the 12-way power adjustable driver's seat functions for both the front seats. Yes, the driver's seat along with the front co-driver seat also gets 12-way power adjustment as standard, along with triple memory function. And yes, as I already said, only this LNK variant gets front ventilated seats. Getting outside of the car, I can also... Just like the front door pads, the rear door pads also get the premium material, along with the interior ambient lighting strip. Only the rear windows though get this manually retractable sun blinds, which are neatly integrated and are rather easy to use as well. Viewing from this angle, the interior ambience looks fantastic and super luxurious with all the features available as standard. In terms of safety features, all the Skoda Kodiaq variants get 9 airbags, including side and thorax airbags for the rear seat passengers as well, along with other features such as electronic stability control, multi-collision braking and ABS with EBD. Before I get into the second row, I would like to show you the access for the third row, which is rather easy by sliding forward the second row seats, thus revealing a decent level of space to enter the third row. However, the third row itself is best used for children because while the space itself is tight, the third row quarters does not provide rear AC vents despite providing some cubby holes and storage pockets along with a 12-volt charging socket. So now let's get into the second row while sliding the seat back to the position again. You can also see that the interior ambient mood lighting is provided in the footwell of the second row seat passengers as well. So finally getting into the seats. As I already said, the Skoda Kodiaq as standard provides 3-zone climate control with a separate zone for the rear seat passengers as well. However, weirdly, instead of a C-type USB port, the 12-volt charging socket is provided for the rear seat passengers. This standard center armrest is also superb in terms of quality and cushioning, and is also wide enough to separate the two rear passengers. Being a global SUV, the Kodiaq also provides proper 3-point seatbelts for all passengers. As standard with the second row seat slid all the way back, there is a humongous level of legroom with all sorts of storage spaces and pockets available as standard. If there is no passenger in the third row, you can easily sit here cross-legged. This second row seat can also be reclined by using this tag on the lower hip part. In case if there are third row passengers in the car, you can easily slide forward the second row seats to make space either for passengers or luggage. So despite being such a premium SUV, the Kodiaq is rather flexible and super spacious despite being greatly luxurious. And yes, this massive panoramic sunroof also provides more light into the car, thus improving the already luxurious ambience. However, unlike the front door pads, the rear door pads are finished in hard plastic, which is unexpected on such a premium SUV. However, all the storage pockets in the doors are felt lined, so that even if you put your water bottle in this area, it does not rattle while traveling. The rear doors also feature a speaker and a tweeter, and a separate mention has to be made on the overall build quality of the doors and the overall car itself. So that was all about the features in the cabin of the Skoda Kodiaq. Let's now check the boot space. As standard, all the variants of the Skoda Kodiaq get powered tailgate with power opening and closing function as well. Even with all 7 passengers in place, the boot space is around 270 liters, which is not bad for a 7-seat SUV. Skoda also provide these flexible adjusters to make partition in the boot area itself for multiple types of luggage. These panels have Velcro underneath them so that you can easily store them everywhere. While the Kodiaq does not offer power folding third row seats, every seat in the Skoda Kodiaq has to be folded manually in order to make space for more luggage. Once you fold the third row seats, the boot space is up by more than 500 liters in terms of capacity. However, to fold the second row seats, it is actually better to go all around the sides, and instead of the shoulder lever, just pulling the hip tag will fold flat the second row seats as well. So now with the second row and third row seats completely flat, you get around 2005 liters of luggage capacity with an almost flat bed, which can also be useful while camping. The boot area also provides individual hooks on either side. That said, there is only one single 12-volt charging socket on the right side. Opening the boot floor of the Skoda Kodiaq, you can see that there is a load cover which can be used to conceal your luggage if you have folded the third row seats flat and have put in luggage. These load covers can easily be installed into these railings on the sides, and under the load cover itself there is the actual space saver steel spare wheel, which even though being an 18-inch one, it has only 145 section tire. Other tools are also located in this area itself under the boot floor. So that was all about the boot space of the all-new facelifted Skoda Kodiaq. Let's now check out the engine bay. Being a premium SUV in line with the Skoda Superb, the Skoda Kodiaq also features the exact same engine. But yes, going by the strong and heavy build quality of the Skoda Kodiaq, it is essential that the bonnet has hydraulic struts. There is more than enough under-bonnet insulation. And now let's talk about the engine. This is the very same 2-liter 4-cylinder TSI turbocharged petrol engine, producing 190 PS of maximum power and 320 Nm of maximum torque through only a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox for India. Yes, these figures may not be segment besting in India, but the power and overall drive experience is going to be more than enough for this large 7-seat SUV. Now let's talk about the pricing. That was a quick overview of the brand new facelifted Skoda Kodiaq 7-seat premium SUV for the year 2022. If you are in the market for a 7-seat premium SUV in the price range of 45 to 50 lakh rupees, providing luxurious interiors with utmost attention to quality with just the right amount of features while providing a powerful and trusted petrol engine, and you are not interested in the hardcore body-on-frame SUVs in the same price category, then the Skoda Kodiaq could be a proper choice for you. Pricing starts from Rs 34.99 lakh ex-showroom going all the way up to Rs 37.49 lakh ex-showroom. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this new facelifted Skoda Kodiaq SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.